Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card slot, which is located right here. Just put the tool inside the hole next to the slot. The slot will come out, and here you have to put your SIM card just like this, and then put it back into your device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.